Alliance Ascent College to me is vividta.
உண்மையுள்ள நண்பன்.
చాలా బాగుంది.
Paripunnata.
Gyananiya.
Khubsurat. Asadharan.
Being from Odisha, coming to the metropolitan city, Alliance University helped me to gain knowledge with this more competitive environment.
The curriculum about Alliance Ascent College, it's very practical and industry oriented. Most of our subjects are aligned with current market's need, and we are constantly working on our projects and presentation.
The faculty support goes beyond traditional teaching. They bring in the concepts to real life with practical examples that actually enhances our understanding.
Every subject that we study here, we use AI tools. We use Power BI, we use Tableau. This helps us not only to study data, to visualize that data in our projects.
The corporate mentorship program is happening in our institution that help us to gain more knowledge about this corporate world.
They actively bridge the gap between academic theory and real-world corporate practices.
So we have a dedicated career advancement and networking office where they provide us immense opportunities to pursue our internships.
Our college actively encourages student-led events like Best Manager, Startup Pitch competitions, finance conclaves, and cultural fests, where students manage everything.
This helps us to analyze the problem of the finance, marketing, operations and leadership.
We get to do field work, we get to go visit people from different industries and then work on our projects.
It helps us to understand how we are applying the theoretical knowledge in practical life.
Alliance is a very diverse place.
I get to meet people from different backgrounds.
We have a very good time through case studies or group projects or anything like that.